Greetings. This is Amreen, and I am currently a PhD scholar in the Faculty of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry, SCAS Kashmir. When I was an undergrad student, we had the DBT Star College program at our college, and I, along with my friends, participated in a number of activities, which included debates, Student Innovation Awards, Star Presenter Awards, and so much more. And all of that helped not just in our all round development, but also added a diversity of colors to our curriculum. I'm therefore extremely grateful both to my institution and this program for shaping us into better students and preparing us for the future. And I hope that we have many such programs in future as well. Thank you so much.
I am Kripa Raskina, a student of St. Agnes College from the 2017-2020 batch. As someone who has benefited immensely from the Star College scheme, I would like to say that this scheme is indeed a blessing to students like me. Because of this scheme, our college has been able to get better lab equipment, and we students had the opportunity to do more advanced experiments. Each department could procure new and a multiple number of instruments, because of which those experiments which were being done in groups earlier can now be done individually, and this has improved our experimental skills.
The project allowed me to experience various aspects of research, right from planning to performing to analyzing. And it gave us a chance to work independently, which benefited me during my masters abroad.
This was a great learning opportunity where we could know how to apply our knowledge into the industrial field when we land up in a job. One was about applying knowledge and how gaining new information, and this helped us in learning something beyond our curriculum.
This workshop helped me because it made me understand how circuit designs are tested without using any hardware.
महाविद्यालयाच्या पूर्ण परिसरामध्ये जेवढे स्पायडर्स असतील तर त्यांच्या त्या प्रजातांना शोधून त्यांचे फोटो टिपायचा आम्ही एक प्रयत्न केला.
The exhibitions and poster competitions helped me to learn the art of simplifying my subject and presenting it in front of experts as well as common people.
I got to know many new things like characterization techniques, and while doing that I got to know how to apply the theoretical knowledge in a practical way. It was a wonderful experience.
I, along with my lab partner, undertook and successfully completed an undergraduate research project under the DBT Star College scheme. This was an excellent opportunity to learn and master various skills that are central to carrying out scientific research.
The department has also organized various learning programs for school-going students and teachers so as to introduce them to the subject of microbiology.
Dr. Rajiv Khosla, Coordinator DBT Star College Scheme from Doaba College, Jalandhar, Punjab. This DBT Star College program has substantially transformed the entire spectrum of science education by promoting interdisciplinary experimental assisted learning. Thanks to DBT for enabling us to think and talk beyond boundaries.
The remarkable hands-on practical experience gained under DBT Star College scheme was really exciting and motivates me to learn more and more in the ever-evolving domain of life sciences. Thanks to DBT for shaping my career.
मैं डॉक्टर सिमरन सिद्धू डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन ਦੁਆਬਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡੀਬੀਟੀ ਦਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਇੱਕ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਫੰਡਿੰਗ ਹੋਈ ਸੀਗੀ ਟੇਕਿੰਗ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਟੂ ਹੋਮਸ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਔਰ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਜਰਬਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਲੱਖਣ ਜਿਹਾ ਤਜਰਬਾ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਅਸਲ ਮਾਇਨਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਟੇਕਿੰਗ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਟੂ ਹੋਮਸ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੜੀ ਸੈਟੀਸਫੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਡੀਬੀਟੀ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ
I Chandana Prakash and I Ritika Sachdeva are third year students of BSc Honours Biochemistry, Daulat Ram College, University of Delhi. We joined the Zebrafish Lab facility as undergraduate research interns. The Zebrafish Lab facility in our college was established in October 2015 with the support of the DBT Star College project, Government of India. Zebrafish Lab brought back the excitement of lab practicals in biology, which were earlier restricted due to strict animal ethic guidelines in schools and colleges. For the first time here, we saw live processes such as beating of heart, blood flowing through vessels, rolling of eyes in a transparent zebrafish embryo. Our lab experience exposed us to the process of scientific research and discovery. We learned to question things happening around us, to design experiments, and to find their answers. It bridged the gap between the theoretical knowledge and its practical applications. And while doing so, we learned many new skills. Science was never as exciting as this before, and now we are sure more than ever about the research career paths we want to pursue. Most of our seniors who have interned in the Zebrafish Lab have gone to pursue post-graduation and PhD programs in various prestigious institutes of both India and abroad. We too are looking forward to putting the knowledge and experience we have gained in this Zebrafish Lab facility to use in our future research endeavors. Thank you. Thank you.
हमारे कॉलेज में DBT स्पॉन्सर्ड बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स, कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, वर्कशॉप्स और सेमिनार्स करवाए गए, जिससे हमें अपने कॉलेज में अपने सब्जेक्ट से जुड़े रहने का मौका मिला और दूसरे सब्जेक्ट को समझने का भी मौका मिला।
अंडर DBT स्टार कॉलेज स्कीम हमारे कॉलेज में एक मशरूम कल्टीवेशन यूनिट सेटअप किया गया, जिसमें हमें मशरूम को पेस्टिसाइड फ्री ग्रो करना सिखाया गया और हमने एक्सोटिक वेजिटेबल्स लाइक बेल पेपर, ब्रोकली, इन्हें भी सक्सेसफुली अपने कॉलेज में ग्रो किया एंड अपनी लोकल मार्केट में फर्स्ट टाइम इन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस किया। एक एग्रोमेट्रोलॉजिकल यूनिट सेटअप हुआ, जिससे हमें इक्विपमेंट्स को यूज़ करना सिखाया और अपने लोकल वेदर को फॉरकास्ट करना भी।
As our college got DBT star status, we learned to perform new and innovative practicals and also introduced new laboratory equipments. Under this scheme, we visited various universities and research centers such as Rajasthan Agriculture University, Dapoli Agriculture University, Fruit Research Center, Bengulla, and got information about their ongoing works. We received training in HPLC, Advanced Molecular Techniques, PCR, and innovative gardening skills in various workshops organized by our college under DBT Star scheme. At the same time, the scheme has created interest in research among us, and we have participated in various research competitions such as Avishkar and Student Research Project. The grant received with this initiative, we got the opportunity to use various equipments purchased by our college such as spectrophotometer, PCR, digital microscope, and others. This initiative helped us to acquire different skills and create interest in research among us. It will definitely benefit us for our holistic development.
My name is Dishari Dasgupta and I did my BSc and MSc from Maulana Azad College, and I am currently pursuing my PhD from ISEL Kolkata. During my BSc, I was part of the DBT Star program where I learned several hands-on techniques such as TLC, PCR, and spectrophotometry. Now these techniques came in handy when I was part of a research work during my masters, which got published in an international journal by the Elsevier group. I'm thankful to the government and my college for sensitizing us about how a research work is done in real life at such a young age. Thank you.